Hello, welcome to the Honeydew List. I'm Kelly and today I'm going to show you how to install faux vinyl plantation shutters on your home. We had existing shutters that we took off to replace our rotting wood siding and we put on hardy board. I am going to reinstall those, and if you are purchasing new plantation shutters, your plantation shutters will come with the hardware I'm about to show you, and if not, you can separately order just the hardware if you already have some too and you're going to replace them yourself. DIY! And I'll give you some tips and tricks so we can successfully all put on our own plantation shutters.
These are the hardware pieces I was telling you about. They are called vinyl shutter lock fasteners. We will take these and hammer them into the holes through the plantation shutters and then through into the house. For this project, we'll need a 1/4-inch drill bit with an electric drill and a hammer or a rubber mallet. My drill bit set has 3 different 1/4-inch drill bits. If I have any tip for you in this entire project, it is to get fresh, sharp, new 1/4-inch drill bits. Mine were previously used, and so they were dulling, and it took a lot more labor and effort to get these things through my siding than necessary.
Quick tip that I have for you when you first start drilling out your holes through your plantation shutter into your home. You need to make sure that when you're drilling this hole into your house, that it is long enough to fit this entire thing when you line it up inside your shutter. So say your shutter is this thick, right? You're gonna put it through your shutter into your home. If you don't drill this hole deep enough, you're gonna have it sticking out of your house, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. You need to make sure it's gonna fit that entire fastener. My first one, and I knew it was gonna happen, but I drilled it out and I got scared of what's behind it in my house. So I drilled it out and I did not drill it into the house far enough. And one of mine in the backyard that I started with and practiced with is sticking out about 1/2 inch. This is important to note because there's little ridges on the fastener that once you put it and insert it into your home, it latches on to all of the material, so you can't pull this fastener back out. You'll have to drill it out if it gets stuck or misplaced or angled wrong where it is not inserted correctly.
I have drilled my hole. Now I'm going to line up my fastener and I'm going to make sure it's straight on into the house. I'm going to do small baby hammers just to make sure I don't misalign it or jam it off either too much from the top or too much from the bottom. I go straight on. These fasteners for me were fantastic. They do not budge at all. They don't shake, move. That plantation shutter is on my house. So now I kept going. I drilled out all 6 holes, hammered them in, kept going, and it's as simple as that, really. And with a very simple process, you can add such character and beauty to the exterior of your home. You just repeat, 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 and ta-da!